Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn Chapter 1 Introduction to Accounting, Lecture number 9 Bookkeeping versus Accounting. Before starting, let's do a quick recap. In our previous lecture, we explored the accounting process. We learned that every business transaction passes through stages, and those stages are number 1, identification, number 2, recording, number 3, classification, number 4, summarization, number 5, preparation of financial statements, number 6, analysis and interpretation, and number 7 is communication. Today's question: who actually perform these activities? Are all of them part of bookkeeping, or do they fall under accounting? Let's clear the confusion and understand the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. This will help us see how the two are related yet distinct in the overall financial reporting process. Story time. Imagine Rahul starts CB Smart Mart. Every single day, he carefully records sales made to customers, records purchases from supplier, records expenses like rent and electricity, records receipts from payments. At the end of the year, Rahul begins to wonder, did I earn a profit? Should I open another branch? Can I repay my bank loan? The big question: is simply writing down transactions enough to answer these important business questions? The answer is no. Why not? Because recording transactions is only the first step. To make decisions, we must go further. We need to analyze the recorded data, interpret the results, communicate the findings clearly. This is where accounting truly begins. Bookkeeping captures the transactions, but accounting transforms them into meaningful information that guides business decisions. Okay? Bookkeeping versus accounting. Bookkeeping is the foundation. It means recording day-to-day transactions, sales, purchases, expenses, receipts. The focus is on accuracy and completeness of records. Accounting goes beyond recording. It involves classifying transactions into ledgers, summarizing them into trial balance and financial statements, analyzing and interpreting the results, communicating insights to stakeholders. In short, bookkeeping is equal to recording. Accounting is equal to recording plus analysis plus interpretation plus communication. Bookkeeping tells you what happened. Accounting tells you what it means and helps you make better decision, right? Now let's see the definition. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the systematic process of recording day-to-day financial transactions of a business. It ensures that every sale, purchase, expense, and receipt is documented accurately. Simple meaning: bookkeeping simply means writing and maintaining financial records correctly. It is the foundation of the accounting process, providing reliable data for further analysis. Let's take one example. Rahul, CB Smart Mart, carries out the following transactions. Purchase goods worth rupees 50,000. Recorded as an expense, an increase in stock. Sold good worth rupees 80,000. Recorded as sales revenue. Paid salary of rupees 20,000. recorded as a business expense. Received rent of rupees 5,000, recorded as income. Each of these entries is carefully written in the books of accounts. Together they form the daily record of financial activity. Bookkeeping captures what happened in the business, but it does not explain why it happened or what it means. That deeper analysis belongs to accounting. Now let's discuss main features of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping focuses on the systematic recording of transactions. Its key features include recording transactions accurately and promptly, maintaining books of accounts such as journals and ledgers, ensuring accuracy in entries to avoid errors, following a chronological order, recording events as they occur, performing day-to-day work consistently to keep records up to date. Important reminder for all of you. Bookkeeping is limited to recording facts. It does not explain whether the business is performing well or poorly. It simply provides the raw data, the foundation upon which accounting builds analysis and interpretation. Okay, now let's discuss what is accounting. Definition of accounting. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating financial information. It transforms raw data into meaningful insights. Simple meaning. Accounting converts recorded transactions into useful information that helps in decision making. It is not just about writing entries, it's about understanding what those entries mean for the business. Let's take one example. After preparing the accounts, Rahul discovers profit is rupees 8 lakh. Expenses increased by 15% compared to last year. Cash balance remains healthy. Now, with this information, Rahul decides to open a new branch. How this decision has been taken? This decision is based on accounting, not just bookkeeping. That's the difference. Okay. Now see this chart, the comparison, bookkeeping versus accounting. First definition. Bookkeeping, recording day-to-day financial transactions systematically. Accounting, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating financial information. Focus. Bookkeeping focuses on recording transactions, maintaining books of accounts, accuracy, chronological order, day-to-day work. Accounting focuses on recording, classifying, summarizing into financial statements, analyzing and interpreting results, communicating to stakeholders, decision making. Okay, scope. Bookkeeping scope is limited to writing and maintaining records. Accounting scope is broader, evaluates performance, aids planning, guides future decisions. Nature of work. Bookkeeping, routine, clerical, and repetitive. But accounting, analytical, interpretative, managerial. Okay. Output. Bookkeeping outputs are journals, ledgers, trial balances. Accounting output are financial statements, reports, insights. Purpose. Purpose of bookkeeping is to accurate records of transactions. Purpose of accounting is to provide meaningful information for decision making. Key difference: bookkeeping is equal to recording facts. Accounting is equal to recording plus analysis plus interpretation plus communication. Okay, let's take one case study. Rahul started CB Smart Mart. During April, the following transactions took place. Purchase goods worth rupees 2 lakh. Sold goods worth rupees 3 lakh 20,000. Paid salary 40,000. Paid electricity bill 8,000. Received commission 12,000. The bookkeeper recorded all these transactions correctly. At the end of month, the accountant prepared the trial balance, calculated profit, prepared the balance sheet, advised Rahul to control electricity expenses. Now the question is, out of above, which activities belong to bookkeeping and which activities belong to accounting? Think. So the answer is bookkeeping activities include recording purchases, recording sales, recording expenses, maintaining journal, and maintaining ledger. Accounting activities: preparing trial balance, preparing financial statements, analyzing profit, advising management, communicating financial information. Okay, so what's the learning? Bookkeeping creates data. Okay, accounting converts data into decisions. Okay, let's take some real-time examples. Okay, hospitals example first. What receptionists do in the hospital? So number one, registers every patient as they arrive. Number two, maintains records of visits, payments, and appointments. Number three, collects patient information such as name, age, and contact details. Number four, ensures that all data is accurate and up to date. So here in hospital, what's the receptionist role? The receptionist role is about recording facts. This is exactly what bookkeeping does in business. It captures transactions systematically. Okay, now it's clear. Let's move further. Now see doctor. What do doctor do in hospital? Studies reports and patient history, diagnoses illness based on the information provided, prescribes treatment and advises on lifestyle changes, helps patient make decisions about their health. Now what's the doctor's role over here? Think. The doctor's role is about analyzing and interpreting information. This is what accounting does. It converts raw data into insights for decision making. So what's the learning? Bookkeeping is equal to receptionist, captures and organizes data. Accounting is equal to doctor, interprets data and guides decisions. Both are equally important, but their work is different. Without the receptionist, the doctor has no records. Without the doctor, the records have no meaning. Okay, let's take another real life example of school. Okay, so there is an attendance register in the school. What's the purpose of it? It records whether each student is present or absent every day, maintains a systematic record of attendance in chronological order, ensures accuracy so that no student's presence or absence is missed. Now, what this means? This is similar to bookkeeping. It focuses on recording facts without interpretation. Okay. Now, report card in the school. What's its purpose? Summarizes the student's overall performance across subjects, analyzes marks and grades to show strengths and weaknesses, helps parents and teachers interpret progress and make decisions about improvement. Now, what does this mean? Report card is similar to accounting. It analyzes and interprets information to guide decisions. So, what's the learning? Bookkeeping records information, accounting interprets information. Both are essential. Without the register, the report card has no base, and without the report card, the register has no meaning. I hope it's clear now, right? Let's discuss some common mistakes which students make in the exam. Number one, thinking bookkeeping and accounting are the same. Believing accounting starts directly with the balance sheet. Assuming a bookkeeper makes business decisions. Forgetting that accounting includes analysis and interpretation. Okay. Exam tip for all of you. Whenever you see recording, think bookkeeping. Whenever you see analysis, interpretation, decision making, think accounting. So, what's the learning point? Bookkeeping is equal to foundation of records. Accounting is equal to application of those records for decisions. Both are connected but not identical. Okay. To help you score better in exams, we are preparing exclusive practice material for all our subscribers. Available resources are chapter wise MCQs, short answer questions, medium answer questions, long answer questions, case studies, important exam questions, model answers, practice worksheets. Okay. How to receive these material? Subscribe to CB Pro Academy, like the video and turn on the bell icon. Send an email to cbproacademy@gmail.com. In one email, request only one type of resource. For example, use one subject line per email. For example, Class 7 Accountancy, Chapter 1, multiple choice question request, or short answer request, or medium answer request, or long answer request. In the email, mention your full name, class, school, board, it's optional. Okay. Thank you for being a part of CB Pro Academy. Learn with confidence, practice with purpose, excel in every exam. See you in the next chapter. Thank you for watching. Take care. Keep learning. Thank you.